Nice to meet you. Meet the new Giant Trinity Advanced Pro 1 Force 2020 year bike. Full integration, flat out fast. Built to meet the demands of professional triathletes and world champion time trialists, this speeding bullet is in a class of its own. Experience supreme aerodynamic performance in a race-ready package, engineered using Computational Fluid Dynamics and dynamic wind tunnel testing. The Trinity Advanced Pro delivers a proven aerodynamic advantage. Handcrafted from premium advanced grade composite and meticulously formed with Giant's AeroSystem shaping technology, it slices through the wind better than any bike in its class. Made for racing against the clock from Ironman triathlon distances to time trial road racing stages, it offers a comfortable fit for long-distance training and racing.
Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.